step is anchor text. Now, if I want to tell you an example of to explain anchor text, first I'll explain what is internal link and then explain anchor text. Now, coming to the next aspect is internal links. Now, internal links are usually hyperlinks or links that goes to other page in the same website. Example, navigation menu. Now I go to my website. Can I see this menus here? Services. I have these pages. I click on PPC services. What happens? I go to some other page within the same website. This is called as internal links. Now usually find in your navigation menu, you can check it on other websites, like you can check it on Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere. You find tons and tons of links. Now if you want to check it for your pages, for your let me show you an example for this one. Now you can check here. Can you see this? These are called as mega menus. Okay, you can build this on Elementor also. Elementor, you have mega menu option. You can build on Divi. Every page builder has this option. You can build it. These are called as mega menus. By building this type of mega menus, it helps you to people to spend more time. So people will explore your website higher and reduce your bounce rate. People, because you know what is bounce. So for example, I visit a page and I don't engage with the page and I just leave the page. It increases bounce. So if you have more links or internal links between pages, usually these are internal links. So if you build more number of internal links like this, what happens? People will explore the website. People will spend more time on your website. So that's always a good thing. So there is no limit, guys. Build as many as you want, but make sure all the pages of your website has some good content in that. Not just create dummy pages or empty pages. Okay. So I will not be teaching you how to create pages again, guys. If you want to create pages, go to pages, add new page, create a page name. Okay. So this I'll say like me just create this. Say I want to offer social media services, and I'm going to click publish. So once you publish it, guys, the page has been published. Click on this icon. Again, you go back. And if you want to add this page to the menus, go to appearance, go to menus. Okay. Now it goes to menus. And again, you find this page here. This is your header menu. Click on add to menu and you can add that page to menu. So they can add it here. Now, if someone clicks on that link, they go to the page within the same website. That is called as internal links. But having more internal links is always good, which decreases bounce and increases session duration, which means they spend more time within the website. Okay, so it's always good. People, when they spend more time in your website, they're more likely to consider your product and buy a product. Okay, so this is always good. So build as many number of links, but make sure you have sufficient pages. So I taught you step by step on how to do that. Now the concept here is not internal links, anchor text, internal links. I want to talk about anchor text. So anchor text mainly talks about when we talk about within the content. Whenever there is a within the content, say for example, within the content, links are called anchor text. Now I cannot give any better example than the top 5 websites in the world that rank Wikipedia. Now let me show you an example. Now I go to Wikipedia and I search for digital marketing. I just click enter. Now can I see this page, Wikipedia? Now look at the amount of links that you find in this page. Now can I see here? SEO, SEM, content marketing, influencer marketing, ebooks, direct email, social media optimization. Within the content, links are called anchor text. If I click on this, can I see what happens, guys? You go to that page, but you're still in the same website. But just here is the catch. It's not done. But keep in mind, within the content, links are called as anchor text, but it can be internal. It can also be external. Guys, understand this concept, very important. But it can be an internal link, which means this links, if I click, it may go to within the website. Okay, I'll be within the website. Simultaneously, certain times, it can take you outside your website also. Okay, they may take you to outside your website also. That's why we call them as anchor text. Anchor text can be internal, can be external. So coming to anchor text, guys, this is a very big topic and very, very important topic. Now, guys, people win your SEO strategies with internal link building. You can really build your links. Now, there are certain times you would have noticed, sir, I'm trying to rank this keyword. So I see my competitor, they don't have any backlinks, but still he's ranking for the first page. You know why it is happening? Because of internal links. Okay, because mainly through anchor text what they have built. Say for example, guys, now there is a page here. Say this is an example of a page of Amazon. It's not coming good. me write it again. So this is a page of Amazon. So this is Amazon website. Okay. So this is web page. This is a page of Amazon. It can be your home page also. It can be your home page also. Say there is like 10 lakh backlinks. This is Amazon. I'm exaggerating, of course. So there are 10 lakh backlinks given for this page. Now, what you can do is from your navigation links, you can create a new page. Say you created a new page of your service. Okay. You can create a new page for your service, whatever the service name is. Say, for example, they started to sell a new set of smartphones, say Samsung S25. I don't know when it will launch, but they launched a new phone. Now, within few days and few weeks, it will rank on first page for this word. You know why? So you have to understand, guys, the backlinks, what happens is they find links and just keep on passing the link authority. What happens, all the backlinks that are coming to this page, backlinks from other websites are coming to this page. What happens, the link authority will flow just like water. That's why we say flow. Okay, like how water flows from one container to other container, the link authority will flow from all the backlinks. That authority value what you're getting will flow to other pages of your website. So what happens, it will flow from your navigation menu to this page. Now without having any backlinks, just creating the page and adding content, it will rank in the SERP. The reason why it ranks, because of internal links. So like that, they have other older pages which they have other few, like there is one more page of their website of mobiles. Here they have like another 5 lakh backlinks. From mobiles page, again they build it to again Amazon page only. From there again they build it to one link to here. So automatically what happens here, there is one page called electronics. Amazon only, they link it to this page. So just building internal links, again electronics has another 2 lakh backlinks. Now by internal links only, they are trying to rank. Okay. So certain, now this is a good strategy actually. Without building backlinks, you can rank by, which means what you can do is from other pages, which means the pages which is having backlinks you have built, from that pages you can interconnect pages and you can rank within pages. Now you may be thinking, sir, where does the keyword come? Now the keyword comes in the anchor text. The word that you are going to give in the link, the hyperlink which you give that links to that page should be keyword optimized. So if it's for Samsung S25, you have to put the anchor text as Samsung S25. Samsung S25. In the menus, you have to put Samsung S25. So if they click on the hyperlink, they come to this page. Now, if you want to rank for your search term, now I have a service here. Now let me go to my service, which I was trying to rank. Now I have a page called as web design service. I want to rank for this service. So I have a list of pages, guys. You have other pages in my pages. I have pages in my website. There is PPC services. I have social media services. They are like similar to the other pages in my website. Now similarly, I have written articles. I have posts in my pages. I have posts in my website. I have written an article why digital marketing is important, why web design is important, why you should hire a digital marketing agency for doing your agency work, something like that. You have written articles. Now what you do is you find words within their content. There'll be content written. It can be pages, structured pages. It can be boxes. Now it can be buttons. There may be a button here. Now after that, those buttons, what you can do is you can link it with keyword optimized anchor text. So you can link it. So the more pages you build, the more number of internal links you can build. Now, just as an example, let me go back and let me explain how I'm going to do this about. So guys, here you can control anchor text. Not necessarily you need to use your primary keyword. So here I'll go back to my page. This page is there. Now I'll go to post first. I'll go to post. I'll click on all post. Okay. So I'm going to go to the post why startups need to use digital marketing. I have this post. Okay. So I'm going to edit this post. Now I don't have any text. I'm going to put dummy text here. Preferably write content. Okay. You can hire a content writer. They will publish like anything. They'll publish like, if you want to give them a target of 5 articles per day, they will write 5 articles per day. But here guys, just remember, if you're writing an article, you cannot use 2 heading tags. Okay. Why startups is important. I'll write some dummy text. Not a good option, guys. Please don't do that. Usually developers use them to add them to make the page look good. Okay, you have some content, you can add images, and again guys, this page also should be done SEO. All the steps I told you, you have to do keyword research for digital marketing for startups. Again, you have to do competitive analysis. Everything you should be done. Every step I'm teaching you should be done for every page. Okay. Now assuming this page has already been done, so somewhere you would have say like startups. Now startups websites are like, say for example, somewhere in the content, in this content you have written, say digital marketing, like say you have written web design is as important content as digital marketing, because if your website is not good, there is no point of, no matter how much traffic you get, it will not convert. Okay, so say I can target, say I want to rank for this word web design or web design services or web design company. I don't know, I cannot put keyword there, guys. That's the reason I'm not going to put that. If possible, I will try to rewrite in such a way that I'm able to use any of this keyword. Okay, now that's the reason now I can't put, but if possibly I will write in a such a way that the word is there, is maybe some part of the keyword is optimized. So I'm going to select this word web design. This is not a complete keyword, this is just a small phrase of that keyword. I'm going to click on link here, there's a link option. I'm going to copy this URL, this URL. So I'm going to copy this URL. Let me just, yeah, copy this URL. Now I'm going to paste this URL here and click enter. Okay, and I click update. Now assume this page, why startups need digital marketing, had like 10 backlinks. Automatically this page will pass the link authority to this page, and automatically this will start to rank. So that is the power of internal link building. So now I come to this page. Now check it out. Now there is an article written by me. It's a dummy text. Can you see? It says web design. Now this is keyword rich, keyword optimized. So I click on this. What happens? I go to that particular respective page. Hope you got it.
Yeah.
Hope you got it. So this is how you start to build. Now you may be thinking, now it doesn't stop here. Now it doesn't stop here. So what you do with this page, you want to rank. Now anywhere in this page, you have somewhere something called PPC services. You can link it back to this page. Somewhere you have here, say there's social media here. You can link it back to this page. Similarly, you give and take. It's more like a reciprocal internal links. So try to interconnect. It doesn't stop there. You connect between each other. Now you interconnect. So the more interconnections you build, the better. So there is no limit. Try to keep on interconnecting as much as possible, unless and until they are relevant. No need to worry about it. But don't try to connect with some random post, okay, to this post. If it's no relevance, don't connect them. There's no point of doing that. Understanding what I'm trying to say? Try to interconnect as much as possible. Try to give internal links, but there is one rule. There is one rule you should never break. You cannot target same keyword for 2 pages. You cannot target same keyword for 2 pages. This is a very, very wrong idea. You should never do that. Say I have a page here. Okay, here I have a page of web design services. Here I have one more page, something similar to web design. Say I've written about web design tips. Web design tips, for web developers. Okay, I've written it. So what you have done is you have pages that are, you are giving links, but keep in mind this anchor text should be given only here. But certain times what you do know, this web design service you give to this page, and web design service you give to this page. Okay, now no 2 pages of your website should be targeting same anchor text. This is called as keyword cannibalism. I know the word sounds very harsh. It's something to do with that, but you have to understand when you are trying to rank 2 pages with the same set of keywords, it's called as keyword cannibalism. I didn't coin that word. You can Google it. That is there. Okay, now Google is confused. Should I rank for this page that word, or this page should I rank? So technically you won't rank any pages. So you should not do this. So no 2 pages of your website to be targeted the same exact set of keywords. So remove here, and make sure you point it back to this page. Okay, if you have something about tips, you can do that. You cannot target the same anchor text words to this. Similarly from other blogs and posts also, guys, same steps. So you have to link it to that page only. Okay, you cannot change the strategy. Okay, if you change, you won't rank, because internal links has a huge impact, guys. Now this backlink, this page has a few backlinks, this page has few backlinks, this page has few backlinks. Now by internal linking, you're trying to rank. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you in terms of internal link building. Now here also you can start editing. It doesn't stop here. So I can close this tab. I can click on edit with Elementor. Somewhere in this, let me check the article which I have written. What is the article I wrote? I don't remember. I wrote an article, why startups need digital marketing. So I have written here somewhere in this page, or an Elementor page, which I have written about web design services. I'll try to find, guys. If it is there only, I'm going to put, I'm not going to stuff it. Okay, somewhere in this content, no idea what happened. Now somewhere in this content here, we also offer digital marketing. We offer digital marketing for startups. Okay, you write like this. Afterwards, if there is a keyword here, digital marketing for startups, here also you can find it here. Say, I think I missed it. Yeah, digital marketing for startups. Select this word, click on this option called as link, and then go to this page. I know this is a dummy page. Now go back, add the URL, click enter, and click update. Now I'll just go back to the front end of the website. I'll go back to the front end of the website. Now see what's going to happen. Now this page is about web design. Now here it has been linked to, here this web design has been linked to this page, whereas this page has been linked to, here if I scroll down, here I've given, can you see digital marketing for startups? If I click on this, they will go to that page and read that article. So automatically even this page will rank. If any backlinks are there for this page, that link authority will flow to this page, and from this authority will flow to it. Then what is happening? The link flow is happening throughout. Automatically all the pages of your website will start to rank. Okay, this is the strategy of internal link building, guys. So the more you build, the better. Now best example is nothing, I can show you example, Wikipedia. Not only digital marketing, guys, you can search for anything on Wikipedia. They have tons and tons of anchor text interconnected. Can you see every word, almost every alternative word, they have an anchor text. Okay, so the more you build, automatically all the pages of your website will start to rank. So this is aspect of internal link building. There are so many strategies in internal link building only, guys. Okay, certain times what you do is you can't find nowhere, no matter what, you can't add the topic there. Say for example, I go to this post article. Sir, this is where I have written the article, but nowhere I can use that article. What I can do is I can edit this post. I can edit this post. Now let me see any other post is there in this page. Now this internal link is done. Now let me go back to my post. Let me see here, blogs. I'll open my blog. There will be one more article here. See, there is an article. I think I've written twice. Startups need to use why this. I think there's a, I think I've missed it. Okay. Now here, what happens is somewhere you have one more article that you can't link it. So what you can do, you can go to this step. After like here in between paragraph, you can make a section there and you can say read our latest or read our best articles. Okay, within the content only. You can say here like web design, web design tips. Here I can write for beginners, beginners, beginners. We can write social media 101. I know it's a spelling mistake. Beginners, I'm sorry. Now social media 101. Like this, you can do it, and you can make this as bold. And afterwards, you can click on this, and you can link it to that particular page, respective page. You can link it. I don't have this page article on web design tips, but still, if you have a page on that, you can find like this within the paragraphs. You can link it. Example, you see here Wikipedia. So they have given this. Nowhere they could have used. You see what I've done in the footer. Check it out. Can you see? Also see. Can you see? They have given links like this. Like this, you can give in the middle. You can give at the bottom. Anywhere it's fine. So there also again it's keyword optimized. It doesn't say click here, no more or learn more. All are keyword based anchor text only. So this is aspect of internal link building, guys. This is where you spend most amount of time. You spend extensive amount of time on this only. Okay, link building. So this is aspect of I want to tell you in terms of link building. So this is aspect of anchor text. So the more internal links, and it should be keyword optimized, guys. Now you may be not using all the keywords. Sir, should I use one keyword for all the pages? No, not necessarily. Try to use all the related words. And also you don't have to keep that exact word only. So you can say if it says where e-commerce web design in Bangalore, you can say e-commerce web design, but only anchor text, only web design. But if you understand the before and after words that you have used anchor text as, and still automatically will rank for web design, e-commerce web design. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you in today's class, guys. Now let me just